Hey guys, so welcome. This is going to be posted on my channel, of course. So I'm so excited. No one really knew what I was like, what I have been doing lately. So I have been trying to purchase some Jeffree Star products, mystery boxes that he just those mystery boxes that he had rolled out. So I of course I ordered their when oh my gosh, I cannot talk. Okay, so I ordered the mystery boxes when they first came out, and then I really wanted the Jawbreaker, so I ordered another set of mystery boxes, but it was just 2 of the yellow boxes, which I think they're premium. So I ordered 2 of those, and then I also really wanted the cremated palette because I wanted to create, even though yes, a lot of these products have been out, it's okay, I understand. Some people may not want to watch them, but honestly, I like creating videos and I like making them and putting them out. So eventually I will try them out very soon. I'm so excited. So, but it's not all about that. So you guys, I ordered 3 orders of mystery boxes. So first the extreme, and then also the 420 box. So I got that. I ordered 2 premium boxes and a cremated palette. And then I ordered 2 premium boxes and a deluxe box and a Jawbreaker. And knowing my luck, oh man, how much do I bet one of those boxes is gonna have a Jawbreaker palette? Bet bottom believe, or whatever that everyone else is saying is bottom ass. I literally got the Jawbreaker palette in that premium box. But the long story short, I did order a Jawbreaker palette because I was like, I doubt that I'm gonna get it in any of my mystery boxes. No, definitely not. So I have now 2 Jawbreaker palettes and a bunch of Thirsty palettes. So I'm gonna do this giveaway that's right behind me. So it is literally right behind me. So give me a minute. I will get everything, or I will grab that box. It is a big box, and I'm kind of worried because of how much it's gonna be for shipping. I'm a very small channel. Most people are gonna be like, then why make a big box? I don't know. Maybe I'll slim it down, but I'm really excited about this giveaway, you guys. I haven't done many giveaways lately, and I just really wanted to do a giveaway. So give me a minute, let me get this box for you guys, and I will be doing a unboxing giveaway for one of you lovely people. And I'll give you also all the other details in just a minute. Alright, I'm back. The box is big. So I'll show you guys all the stuff that I'm thinking about definitely putting in this box. Or not thinking, but putting this box as a giveaway. So the first thing are these pins that Jeffree Star has put in the first box, the deluxe box, or is it the premium box? I can't remember, but this is what I put, or what I it is the premium box. So these came into the premium box. All right, my next thing as well, you guys will be getting a hat. The Jeffree Star logo right here and tie-dye hat. This is what you'll get. let me move this because this is dirty and I don't want to like have a dirty, like, you guys are gonna have dirty stuff. That's not it. I don't know why that came in there. All right, so this is the Thirsty palette. You're gonna get this as well. This went into the 420 box. I'm not going to use it, but it is called the, I don't know what these are called. I don't use it. I know that you put weed in it and stuff. It's these things. This is what you're gonna get in this box. You're gonna get a pop socket. You're gonna get the green eyeliner in Assets. Super pretty, by the way. You're gonna get 5 single shadows. You're gonna get Casket Ready, which looks like a white. You're going to get Mortuary Beautician. Yeah. Good Morning. Solemnly Swear. Last Respects. So you're getting 5 single shadows. Oh man, this is gonna be a good box, just saying. You're gonna get Christmas Cookie. There was like 2 birthday suits. The Gloss and Diamond Juice. Yeah. You're gonna get the Jawbreaker palette. Sorry, you guys, the sticker thing came off, but I swear I did not use it. You're getting the Jawbreaker palette. You're getting the Blue Blood palette. There's 3 palettes in here. The Blue Blood, Jawbreaker, and the Thirsty palette. And also single shadows. And then, last but not least, you're gonna get also this. This is the Queen Bitch on here. And check out these shades. These colors. Now, not only could you use these for your lips, but they're also eye safe. You can use these for your eyes. So, yeah. Now, this giveaway, the rules for it, you're gonna need to like, comment, and also subscribe and comment. Those are the 3 things you're gonna need to do with this giveaway. Let's see, how long should I like do this for? Okay, so today is June 5th. Let's make it to the 18th. The 18th, okay, so I do work on the 18th, all the way up to 5. So when I get the chance to, I'm going to, so it starts today, all the way up to June 18th. So make sure that you guys mark down your calendars, make sure that you guys like, subscribe, and comment. If it is at midnight on the 19th, you're done. You're not going to be entered. I'm not going to do that. So yeah, make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment. I will make sure to write it down in the rules. This is unfortunately only going to be in the US. Shipping, honestly, you guys, is crazy. I'm not going to, like, I'm sorry. Maybe if I were to get a bigger channel, like I get bigger on that, I will eventually start doing out of the US, but I just don't have a big drawback. I mean, I understand why. Most people are like, who is she? Why is she making videos? I don't know. But yeah, make sure that you guys like, subscribe, and comment. I'd love to like get these. I like doing videos. It's so much fun, in my personal opinion. So make sure that you guys go and do that. I'm trying to not only build up my platform on here, on Instagram, on Facebook, TikTok, all that stuff. So let me know if you guys have any questions about this. Make sure, like I said, you like, subscribe, and comment, and make sure that you guys don't just subscribe and after the giveaway unsubscribe, because there's going to be more giveaways going. I mean, I am not only let's see, I got these little bags right here, and I'm starting to put stuff in it, you guys. Like, I already put this Huda Beauty lip thing. So make sure that you guys stay subscribed to this channel. I'm gonna be doing giveaways. I'm gonna, like, there might it might take some time to do the giveaway, but I am going to try to do this. All right, so you guys, I hope you have a fantastic evening. I'll see you all soon, and good luck to whoever's gonna win this giveaway. Like, seriously, you guys, it is freaking amazing. Like, so amazing. All right, have a good night, everyone.